Kern Place is arguably one of the most charming, most sought after, and walkable neighborhoods in all of El Paso. It's located on the west side and you are just minutes away from UTEP, fantastic restaurants, great nightlife. You can take the free trolley to go downtown. And since you're so close to those Franklin Mountains, if you're into hiking, running, biking, you can literally get to the trails in just minutes. This home is a fantastic find. It has 3 full bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It has beautiful hardwood floors. It has been remodeled from top to bottom. This one is sitting on a nice big lot. You've got a single car garage and a single carport. This is definitely one that you're going to want to check out.